China has developed these biomimetic bird drones, also called ornithopters, that are designed to look and move exactly like real birds. According to reports from the Defense Post and Interesting Engineering, Chinese military researchers have engineered these drones under the so-called Pigeon Program, and, well, they flap their wings instead of using propellers, which lets them blend seamlessly into flocks of actual birds. These ornithopters are not just marvels of design. Honestly, they're also equipped with surveillance technology, making them ideal tools for urban reconnaissance. But reports suggest some models go even further. Larger variants mimicking hawks or falcons have allegedly carried micro-payloads capable of precision strikes. Combined with their silent operation, lightweight materials, and radar-dodging movement, they represent a new frontier in stealth and strategy. China's biomimetic bird drones, or ornithopters, are, really revolutionizing stealth and strategy in military operations. Developed under the Pigeon Program, these drones are designed to mimic the appearance and flight patterns of real birds, making them nearly undetectable. Wing flapping mechanism. Instead of using propellers, these drones flap their wings to generate lift and thrust, allowing them to, blend in with actual bird flocks. Surveillance technology. Equipped with miniature cameras and sensors, these drones are ideal for urban reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Precision strike capability. So, larger variants, which actually mimic hawks or falcons, can carry these micro-payloads for really precise strikes. This is, honestly, making them a total game-changer in modern warfare. Stealth and radar evading. Their silent operation, lightweight materials, and kind of unique flight patterns make them super difficult to detect by radar systems. So the Magpie drone weighs only 90 grams, is equipped with a miniature camera, and is just ideal for urban surveillance and reconnaissance missions. The Eagle drone, on the other hand, can carry heavier payloads, sustain longer flight durations, and operate within a range of 6 to 8 kilometers. Now, the Hummingbird drone is a compact, vertically launching coaxial drone that's capable of carrying mortar shells and supporting swarm tactics. These biomimetic bird drones, honestly, represent a significant leap forward in military technology, offering unparalleled stealth and strategic capabilities.